Since I lost my leg, I'm a lot happier in my life. I know that sounds really weird, but I don't smile, and so people have a tendency of thinking that I am not a happy person. And I am a happy person. I have a really happy life. But they don't think that because I don't smile. So, and I do walk around a lot like this, so even if I'm smiling.
Cherree has a lot going on, and we've been going at this for maybe a little over a year, and I'm really excited to be able to help her overall. She's kind of finally made the plunge and saying, yes, I want to get all my health taken care of.
I have a really rare blood disease that only 1% of people that have it make it, but I was in the hospital for 3 months for them trying to find out what was wrong with me. They had all given up. I had 6 doctors. And so I was in dialysis one day, and a doctor who I'd never seen before came in, picked up my chart, and said, I know exactly what's wrong with her. The rest is history.
Previously, I wasn't enjoying what I was doing as much. And I think a lot of dentists find themselves in this situation, so I think it really speaks to the heart of the dentist when they realize that with the right technology and the right materials, that you can start having moments every day that are fulfilling to you. Okay, you ready for this?
I'm ready.
You've been waiting a long time for it.
I have been.
Here we go. Ready to check it out?
I am ready.
Here we go. Voila!
Oh my gosh, look at that.
You can hardly smile because your lip is so numb.
I know, look at that. They've never been this way because they've never been normal. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm happy we could do it.
Thank you.